Young Turk Revolution, Ottoman Turkish History 1908. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the topic of the Young Turks Revolution. The Young Turks were a group of young nationalist officers in the Ottoman Empire who staged a coup in 1908, seeking to reform the then declining empire. They aimed to modernize the state and promote political liberalism and national unity. Their movement eventually led to the establishment of a constitutional government in the empire. The revolt, which was led by members of the 3rd Army Corps in the region of Macedonia, resulted in the restoration of a constitutional government on July 23rd. Under the constitutional arrangement, the Young Turks, namely the highly influential Committee of Union and Progress (CUP), eventually succeeded in taking the reins of government in 1913. Abdul Hamid II, reacting against the liberalization of the Tanzimat reforms 1839-1876, suspended the short-lived 1876 Ottoman constitution in 1878 and became despotic in his attempt to strengthen the Sultanate. In 1889, a group of students in the Imperial Medical Academy in Istanbul initiated a conspiracy against Abdul Hamid that spread rapidly to other colleges in the city, but they were soon forced to suspend their activities and go into exile or operate in secrecy within Ottoman territory. The movement became known as the Young Turks. Meanwhile, the regime's efforts to suppress dissent, often brutally and through the use of an elaborate spy network, left little recourse in the empire for grievances. Leaders of the July 1908 rebellion included elites, such as high-ranking military officers with political ambitions that could not be met under the current system. Military members of lower rank were also dissatisfied. At times, they had gone long periods without payment and received extended terms of service without notice or reason. Among the general populist tax revolts were but one reflection of a frustration with Ottoman authorities. In the first decade of the 20th century, tensions were rising in Macedonia in particular, with foreign powers discussing the possibility of intervention, and a clandestine network of Young Turks in the region were increasingly fearful of being found out. On July 3, 1908, after an investigatory committee had arrived from Istanbul, Major Ahmed Niazi of the 3rd Army Corps took more than 200 followers, including civilians, into the Macedonian hills, where the Young Turks commanded broad sympathy. In the ensuing days, other officers and soldiers also mutinied. Demonstrations of support for the Young Turks broke out all over the region. Telegrams from Young Turks demanding the restoration of the constitution poured into Istanbul, and loyal military officers struggled to identify the extent of the Young Turks' infiltration of the army, a challenge complicated by fears for their physical safety as CUP assassinations of loyal officers increased. Beyond this, the central government struggled to ascertain whether officers were loyal at all, because it was difficult to tell from Istanbul whether a military officer who declared loyalty via telegram was actively supporting the Young Turks, as was indeed sometimes the case. The military and popular threat of the Young Turk Revolution increased throughout July. Various weapon caches were seized by mutineers, and reports reached Istanbul that military commanders were often unable to intervene because most of their troops were no longer loyal. Salonika, now Thessaloniki, Greece, was soon in open rebellion, and Monastir, now Bitola, North Macedonia, followed on July 20th. On July 23rd, the Young Turks sent a telegram to the government demanding the immediate restoration of the 1876 constitution. If this did not happen, they were prepared to march on Istanbul and force the Sultan to accede to their demands. Later on the night of July 23rd, the Sultan accepted defeat, and the news of the Young Turk victory reached Macedonia on July 24. This revolution was a pivotal moment in the history of the Ottoman Empire, and it had far-reaching implications for the future of the region. The revolution sparked a wave of nationalist movements across the empire, as various ethnic groups sought to establish their own independent states. This period of upheaval ultimately led to the dissolution of the Ottoman Empire and the redrawing of the map of the Middle East. And that wraps up our exploration of the Young Turks Revolution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more historical videos like this. Until next time.